Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have a rocket Giotto. I came into the shop because the steam rod that in the steam valve assembly was broken. This is somewhat of a common video with this style of, or common issue with this style of steam valve, where there's like the threaded knob, where there's a threaded knob that pulls on this, and the piece that engages with the knob breaks off. So the whole valve stem needs to be replaced. The machine also needed a tune-up, so there's a lot of scale buildup in the machine, and the group head. The group head was decent, but the group gasket was definitely a little worn. You can see here there are cracks forming here when I squeeze it. We ended up replacing the shower screen, back flushing the group head. We descaled the boiler and the heat exchanger tube. Here's the heat exchanger machine. Here's a little bit of a sneak peek as to what the how much scale there was. In fact, there was so much scale that the loosening this pipe ended up breaking it, and that's the reason why I needed to loosen that pipe was because scale was actually clogging it entirely. So I ended up having to replace the pipe as well. Yeah, and that's about it. Thank you for watching. Or actually, I'm just gonna demonstrate the steam works. Got steam here. We got hot water, and then I'm also just gonna here. Don't worry about quality of coffee. This is our test coffee. It's not going to come out right, but this is just going to demonstrate that the machine works as you'd expect it to. It's probably going to come out a little quickly. The coffee is really coarse, but you can see that the pump works. Yeah. There you have it. Alright, thank you for watching.